Hello everybody. This week we are going to read a book about color mixing. At the beginning of the story it talks about mixing different colors like blue and yellow, and you might get purple. Or maybe if you mixed red and yellow, you might get orange. You could also mix blue and yellow and you would get green. In our story they talked about lots of different colors when you mixed them. So I was wondering if we could try to make some of those colors. What we are going to do is we will take turns picking a different color, and you'll get to tell me how many drops we should put. And we'll decide what color we make when we're done. This might look a little bit different when we do this together because you'll get to pick the colors. For now, Ms.Shoman will just do a couple different ones because there's nobody else here right now to pick. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait until we do this together. So, I have 3 beakers with some water, and then I also have 3 different colors. Our primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. And what I'm going to do is we will start with our first beaker. And I'm going to pick a random color, red. Let's pick a number and say 4. So I'm going to do 4 drops of red. 1, 2, 3, 4. And because we're going to add a few colors, I don't want to forget what I put. So I'm going to start a tally sheet. A tally is like a line, and as many lines as there are will tell you a number. So I put 4 drops of red. Look, there's some on my hand and red crayon. So I made 4 lines so we don't forget. Next, I think I'm going to add a little bit of blue. Let's do 1 blue. Whoop. Oh. Yep, 1 blue. I'm going to wipe this because it went on the outside. Oh, you know what? It went on the inside. Can you see it going all the way down? So I guess that's 2 blues on accident. So I will make 2 tallies for blue. Now we'll add some yellow. I really love yellow. I think I'm going to add 5, 6 yellows. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry that was fast counting. This strip's so fast. All right. So we have 4 red drops, 2 blue drops, and 4 yellow. Do you think this will make a different color? What do you think will happen? What happened? What colors do you see? Looks a little bit brown. But tell me what you think. All right. Next, I think what we should try is let's do less red this time and do 1 red and 1 yellow. Oh, 2 yellows. So what happens if I make a color? So I'm going to mix this first. Let's see what happens. I think it's turning orange. Oh, it's very orange. Now what happens if I add blue to my orange? Or what happens if I add more yellow to my orange? So we had 1 red and 2 yellows. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more yellow. That's a lot of yellows, 8. I'm going to put a little plus sign so that I remember that at first we only did 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellows. I wonder what's happening to our color. Do you think that this orange is getting lighter? Or is it getting darker? What's happening to our color? Looks very yellow-orange. I wonder what you would name that color. All right, we're going to try this one more time. And I think I like the idea. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 blue. of making a color first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, that's okay. So we did 5 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's a very dark color. I don't know if you can see that color. Maybe if I add a light to it. Not quite. It's a very, very, very dark purple. I wonder why it got so dark. Do you think it's because I added a lot of color? What happens if I add yellow to this color? Let's see. Should we add a couple or a lot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, 15 yellows. Let's shake it up. It's looking a little bit, kind of reminds me of the forest. A dark green, but it's kind of brown. Looks a little bit like the first color, except it's kind of darker to me. What do you think? I can't wait to do this with you. This was a lot of fun. Have a good day, everybody.